If you want to track staff performance by getting insights into individual staff member sales and overall sales distribution from POS and Venue Manager, we recommend using our Staff Sales Insights dashboard. To find this dashboard, navigate to Analytics, Dashboards. Type Staff in the search bar, and then select the Staff Sales Insights dashboard. This report helps you monitor sales made by different staff members. It allows you to track each staff member's sales performance by showing their sales contributions, including sales figures and quantities sold. You can also then understand how sales made through POS and Venue Manager affect the overall numbers. You can leverage this report to drill down into specific staff members by filtering by staff name and then selecting Filter. You can see here all sales related to Alyssa Dela Cruz and all items that they sold if you're running a particular upsell campaign. You can also use the product type filter to drill down into that specific product.